Welcome to today's hands-on. We'll be implementing important concept that is row level security RLS today in Azure Databricks. So basically row level security, if you look, filters rows by user role. So here only HR only view which shows only HR department rows, right? Something like this. Department only HR will be viewed and nothing else. So let's go to our Azure Databricks. But before going, I'll give you a small definition of RLS, which is why do we implement row level security. So the basic purpose of row level security is to restrict rows based on department. And here the department is HR, which we'll be implementing in today's tutorial. Let's jump on to our Azure Databricks now. All right, so we are in our Azure Databricks. So let me explain this code. So basically here the HR analyst can only see the rows where department is HR. So that's what we are doing here. If you look here, we are doing nothing, but from the employees table, we have written a simple where clause where department equal to HR. So that's how we are implementing the concept of row level security. Let's quickly run this to create a view. Now looks good. Now we'll be granting access to the HR role. So please make sure again this user or the groups should be present in your Microsoft Entra ID. For your organization, it can be at the rate of your organization name and the user, right? Whatever email ID you want to test row level security on. So let me run this and it says okay. It means successfully we are able to run. Now as a data engineer, please notify the owner of this email to check what they can see on the employees HR only view. Right, again we can do a simple select star like previously what we have done from our own end as well, and from their own from the analyst as well. So the results we can definitely see, right? So here we can see the department equal to HR. Only the HR departments are visible. So that's how we are implementing the row level security here using the views, right? So that's what concludes the row level security. We have found the HR analyst only sees rows where departments are basically HR. So thank you so much for watching this video. Let's meet in our next lecture.